Hello dear. Today we are going to do the jam of Quince, okay? So they all look like pear. You see that? Yeah, I washed it already. So when you buy it, please choose the yellow one. When the skin become yellow, it's ready. Yeah, so we are going to do, so already I washed it, okay? So we need a bowl of water, clear water, sugar, we need, what is the name of this? Cardamom, yeah, okay? We need a little bit of this, and cinnamon. Yes, cinnamon. So, and one lime or lemon, whatever you have. So, we need the copper, okay? Is my prefer to have copper. This is very old-fashioned one, and this is the new one, but this is a small. So I'm going to use the big one. If you don't have copper, so you can use something like that, okay? But not Teflon. Teflon is not good for that kind of jam. So we are going to cut it. I'm going to show you one, and then we see. Make it in half, okay? So you see the seed inside? We need all the seed. I will tell you why. Some people, they take out the skin, but me, no. I keep it. And also the Quince is around 4,000 years ago, this fruit, and is come from Persian and Anatolia. Yeah, these two from 400 years ago. So try to cut it, very thin, as thin you can, and dump it in the water. You know why dump it in the water? Because it become quickly black. Not black, dark, So do it very thin, as you can. Yeah, with the skin. Don't take out the skin. So this is my auntie teach me. So So try to, try to take out the hard part and keep all the seed. I will tell you why. So let me cut it and put it in the water, and then I come back. Yeah. I will show you again how you cut it, okay? So you go all the way like this, but not until the end, and do this. So when you do, then the seed, it doesn't, no damage in the seed, okay? And again, another one is more easy for you, like this, okay? Again, and then like you go here. Sometimes it's hard, okay? Sometimes it's very hard in the middle. So you put, in that case, you put it here, and then with the pointy of your knife, you push it and separate it. Yeah, And then try to, as you can, thinner and thinner. No, very thin. So you know why I say dump it in the water? You can see the color. That one I didn't put in the color, and this is new. So it's better we dump in the water, okay? So And so when everything is finished, so you see here the seed. I'm going to separate the seed, okay, and put it here, so, and let it dry. So when it's dry, it becomes this, okay, yeah, it becomes this. So when you catch cold or you have pain in your I don't know what is the name. Anyway, if you coughing, so 2-3 of these, you put it in your mouth and just keep it, you know, and they will be soft and soft and soft and nice. So then you don't cough too much. So this was around 2 pounds, yeah, 2 pounds of the coins. So when it's 2 pounds, so make it 1 pound of sugar, okay, 1 pound or 1/4 of sugar. That's it. And the water, I will tell you. So then, when everything is finished, you can dump this inside. Don't throw out the water because I want to show you. So you put it here, okay. So why you don't dump it in the water? Because all the juice and this, when we put it inside, it go here, and then you put it here. So you know, until you remember, not all the time measure. So because I'm going to add this, so until the water, you see, let me show you. You see how is it? Because when I add this, then it's good. So you see, even this is a little bit extra. Let me empty it. Yeah, you see? Now it's perfect because I'm going to add this to it. And then we leave it boil, cover it and boil for, I will show you later. So, you know, I want to show you, if in case you cut and it become in you know, like this in half, don't worry, dump it. You see, it's okay, nothing will happen. And don't forget, okay, the water have to be like this, not more than this. This is important. So turn on the heat. Come on. I cleaned it yesterday. So we put it in the heat and we wait until it boils. Then I make it low at least for 1 hour, or until you take it and you taste, you cook. So I took around 5 or 6 pieces of cardamom, okay, 5, and I put the seed inside, okay, just the seed, yeah, and also I put 2 stick of cinnamon. So when this is become boil, then I make it low. I put the lid on, and in 1 hour we come back. I will show you what to do the rest. Okay, we come back. So after 1 hour, you see the color didn't change a little bit. Cooking, and I'm going to show you it's hot. So, it's hot. So you push, you see it's cooked. Ouch, but not completely, okay? And then when this happens, then you add the sugar, okay? The sugar, this is 2 pounds, and the sugar have to be 1 pound. You can see? Add it. Yes. Then we mix a little bit. Hopefully you see. You see? Just gentle. It will melt anyway. Okay? And then, one piece of fabric. This is already, I used it. Okay, that's why the color is changed. A piece of fabric, wrap the lid. Okay, wrap it around and close it. So make sure if we let me see if it's boiled, and then we put the lid. Okay, we come to the heat and we leave it for at least 4 to 5 hours, and then you are going to see what will happen. You know, the copper is good for anemia. The people they have anemia, this is fantastic. You can cook inside whatever you like, you know, your stew, chicken, meat, vegetable, and it's very good. So, you know, not too much this, and then we see. So if we come to the bowl, so we close the lid. Why we put the cloth? Because the water going to have a steam, a lot of steam, and the steam going to go to this piece of fabric. It doesn't go inside. When you put the just lid, so the steam again go inside. So this is will be hold all the steam. And then we bring low the heat, low, but make sure see if is you see, you can hear it. Yeah, make sure is cooking, because if it's stop, the heat will be very low, and stop is not good. So sometimes, you know, sometimes after 2 or 3 hours, people they put this on there, but don't do that. Don't do that. We go the way have to be. Make sure everywhere is closed. Yeah. Let me see what happened. Yes. Okay, and then we bring down the heat. So see you in 4 or 5 hours. So now is almost 5 hours. We are going to open, and you are going to see the color and everything. So look at this. How beautiful it is. Burgundy. So we are going to add half of this lime. Okay, half. And we are going to leave it for 1 minute, something like that, okay? Not more. And then I will leave it cool. Become cool. this is, I'm sure now is wet. Yeah. So we are going to wash it and use it for another time. That's it. So when it's cold, then I will show you something else, and that's it. It's ready. Finished. It's cold. Cool. It become. So you remember I told you make it thin. So this is I'm talking about. Let me show you. You see how thin is? Can you see it? Yeah. So this is perfect. So you can eat it with butter, okay? Oh, delicious. Yeah, for your breakfast or yeah, you see? Or a cream cheese. Yeah. Okay, or we are going to, or with the cottage cheese, you know. Yes, and then that's it. You see? That's it. So, and come close and see how beautiful. Put it in the jar and in refrigerator, so anytime you need, you can use it. That's it. And don't forget the seed. It's good when you have cold. So see you next dish.